There are three ways to do it. The first one is to delete any element from your footer right here and then shrink the size of it, which will apply to automatically all of your pages. And the second one is to hide the footer and the header too, which will only apply on the specific page. And the second one is to hide the footer and the header, but make a fake header instead, which will only apply on the specific page. So the first way to do it, you want to go to your footer section and just choose or block every element on the footer, and then do a right click on your mouse and then hit on delete. After that, you can just minimize the size of the footer by click on this one right here at the bottom of your screen and then minimize it. But keep in mind that when you do this, it will apply to all of your pages. So for example, when I go to my blog pages, right here on the blog pages, if I scroll down, the footer is gone too. So your footer will be gone in your entire website. And then the second way, to hide the footer and header too, you can just go to your pages and menu by clicking right here at the left side of your screen. And then right here on the side menu, you can just choose any specific page that you want to hide the header and the footer. For example, I want to hide on this blog section. To do it, I can just click right here on these three dots right here and then click on settings. And then on the page settings, you can go to layout and then choose on no header and footer. Be aware that when you do this, you will also hide the header from everyone. And also to make your footer gone on every page, you need to do it manually on every page that you have. And the third way is when you need to hide the footer and quote unquote keep the header only on a specific page. So right here on my blog page, my header and footer is gone when I choose to hide it by go to page settings and layout. As you can see, there are no header and there are no footer. And to make a fake header, you can just go to other page that still have the header. For example, on my home page, I can go to a page right here at the very top left of your screen and then click on home. So right here on the home page, you can just do a block on all of the header element like this one and then do a right click on the element and then click on copy. After that, you can go back to your blog page by clicking page right here and then choose on block. And then right here, you can just make a new section at the very top of the pages by click on add section. And you can adjust the size of the section by clicking on this one. And then right here, you can just do a right click on the new section and then choose on paste. And there you go. All of the element is paste and you can adjust the background image or background video on the header. You can just do it on every page that you want to have a fake header like this one. And don't forget to publish after every change that you've made by clicking right here at the top right of your screen if you want your site visitor to see all of the changes. And that's how to delete the footer on Wix. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.